Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Black Dynamite, and I'm back with another one. So listen, man, we gonna be firing up this grill I got over here. Okay, as y'all can see, I'm outside in the trenches. You know, it's like I'm in my backyard. But yeah. So we're gonna be firing up this grill right here, and I'm gonna show y'all basically just how to light a grill. Cause some of y'all be like, my grill can't stay lit for some odd reason. So I'm just gonna show y'all, you know, how to start your grill up and make sure it's gonna go reach at its highest peak temperature. All right, you know, you want that thing to be at like 400. That way you can be able to control it, turn it down. All right, so we're gonna get it all the way fired up. So check me out. As y'all can see, I've already I cleaned the grill off, so you want to make sure you clean your grill. I got the charcoal. I got some apple barbecue cooking chunks. All right, so we're gonna stuff them in here like that. I'll be right back. All right, so I didn't put too much apple smoked chunks in there because I'm only doing about seven beef ribs. All right, big boys though, you know what I mean? So you want to make sure you evenly spread out your thing. Okay, you don't want to have it clumped up. You want to spread evenly, basically where you want your fire to hit. Okay, so if you wanted to hit mainly on one side, you can just put everything on one side. All right, now we're gonna go in there with this lighter fluid. There's nothing to it but to do it. This is the lighter fluid I used. Okay, use that Expert Grill. You can find us at Walmart. No, we're not under any promotional here. We ain't getting paid for this. I'm doing this just out of the kindness of my heart. All right, so check me out. So we want to make sure we even coat that thing. I mean, spread it all around, man. Don't be scared. It's all right. That way you ain't got to keep doing this. You know, maybe do it maybe one or twice. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure you've heard, you know, once you light this thing up, you want to make sure you get it nice and gray. Okay, so that's what we gonna do. Real simple, man. So, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean this grill while it's lit. So, I got my long Kingsford candle lighter, so that way, you know, you're not reaching in, you don't blow yourself up. And there it goes, baby. All right, you see how it's catching? You want it to catch just like that. You see how it's coming up to the top? Yeah, that baby ready. Yep. And then you want to keep that lid up. Some of y'all be saying, so Black Dynamite, so how do I keep it nice and hot? So you see how this one is open? I want to make sure that baby all the way open. Open it all, let that air get in. That way it's gonna rush to the top. Okay, and then what I do with my top, I close it up a little bit. I'm leaving it around like that. Maybe around, because I don't want too much heat to get out. I want to trap all that heat in. So you want to have it around there. So while this is still hot, I'm gonna go in there and clean my grill off. Get y'all right back, man, when I'm gonna go get this food. All right, let's see what we got, y'all. You see this? Look at that. Yeah. You see that gray? Yeah, once it's in that gray, it's ready. See how it's graying up? Everywhere, yep. That's when you know it's ready. Okay? Now check how my heat pulls. I'm telling you, watch this. Alright, y'all, so we went with these beef short ribs. I got these at Costco. Have my wife season them up. She put a little brown sugar, a little of that ooh-wee on there. That ooh-wee, telling you, it's gonna make these things hit. A little pepper on there, a little seasoning, a little rub, dry rub. That's all you really need. Watch when these things hit the pan. It's about to go down, y'all. Watch what I do over here. We about to make magic, all right? Check me out. And watch how they just be sizzling. Feel me? They're gonna just be sizzling as soon as I drop it on. Pow! Alright, so this thing is ready. So we're gonna throw one on there just like that, because we want to sear these things up. There we go. She's ready. Now let's get them all on there. Remember I told y'all how y'all want that heat to rise? Am I joking? Look at that thing rising. right before your eyes. So what you want to do is, you got a bee over here, man. He wants something to eat. I'm not trying to get stung. They must be hungry. So yeah, you see how you got that one, got the bottom one wide open though. And then you want to make sure that one is just not, you know what I mean? You want to play with the heat a little bit. So now look at, we above 300. We working, look at, we gonna be going up to that 4. That thing rising, okay? So that's what you want. And that's just all it is. And you just want to keep it out on your joint. And then when you pop it up, it's going to be smoking. You know what I mean? So, but I don't want to let that heat out. You know what I mean? So I'm going to just let that work and do its thing. You know what I'm saying? I just keep going up. So I bet you if I close this a little bit, the heat's going to go up a little bit more. As you can see, look at it. It's going up. That's just how it is, man. And that's how you keep your grill nice and hot. Charcoal grill. I'm using the King's Fur all the way through. Holla at your boy. And y'all gonna see at the end of this video, man, how the food came out. My wife is upstairs. She's making a potato salad. Oh, it's about to go down. Holla at your boy, man. I'll be right back with y'all. Oh, wait a minute. It's rising. Temperature's rising. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. Hey, man, what did I tell you? Look at that thing. 500. God damn. Let me open that thing up a little bit. 500. I told y'all. I'm the expert, man. I'm the expert. Let me see how they things looking. Let me pop these things open one time. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee. Yes, sir. Turn them things over. See how they looking. Things looking good. See that brown? Yeah, that's what you want right there. Nice and charred up. Let's start flipping them. Okay. Flip them bad boys. Just like that. Let's switch hands. Yes, sir. That's how you want it. Look at that. So I throw that barbecue sauce on it. Ooh wee. Yes, sir. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Let's put that. See the middle going crazy. Let me put these over here. Put these over here. Put that thing in the middle. These little chunks right here. Alright. Cooking with hot grease. Now I'm gonna just leave this thing open now. This should be ready. Put this at the bottom. Leave that right there. But yeah, that's how it is, man. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Okay. And that's how you get it done, man. It's your boy Black Dynamite, yo. Shout out to all my 100 subscribers, man. I reached 100 subscribers. I love each and every one of y'all. Listen, man, if you tuning in and you're not subscribing, I got so much content for y'all. Man, I got a new camera. Oh my God, that thing is fire. So check me out in the next week or two, man. I'm gonna be dropping mad content for y'all, mad flavor in your ear and on your screen, okay? So holla at your boy. It's your boy Black Dynamite. And God loves you, but also I do too. And I'm out.